This is Christy Mattoon from Rewire. Are you ready to change? Is it time? I want to teach you how to reprogram your mind. I want to give you firsthand information on how easy it is to bring your system into coherence and to understand it in such a simple way that you can activate your system and use it not only for guidance, but use it for the purposes of healing and manifesting. Exactly what the system was meant to do. We learned this wrongly. We learned the wrong way to go about doing things. We were told to shut off our emotions, to not feel, to not worry about it, to not take things too seriously, to not go through all the steps that you need to go to get to the other side, to take the pill, it's easier, to be in a position where you have to go to a therapist, if that's just the way it is. It's all wrong and it's messed up. The system is so messed up. Your body truly has everything on board it needs to heal. And I don't want to just talk about it and tell you about it. I want to teach you how to use it. I want to show you how simple it is to get inside the subconscious mind. It isn't hard. And I want to show you how once you're there, you can alter things. You can create change, recreate your story, and start to live by that story. I want to teach you how to get into heart-brain coherence so that the energy of your heart and brain are in a match, they're in alignment, and they can work together to create what you want to see in your life. And I'm going to take it a step beyond that. I want to show you how to bring the information from your head to your heart to gut and truly transmute the information, to find it different, to feel it different, to sense it different, to know it different, and then take it all up into the universe where manifestation truly happens. You're going to know how to use the system, your system, this vessel, your system. You're going to know how it works. Finally, the answers, guided, shown how, done with you, your information inside your body. Take it and run with it and use it. It's yours. You don't need somebody to keep muscle testing you for answers. It's all right here. It's all right here. You have to take it all the way. The system itself was set up so that you could tap into it and use it. For you, when you truly fall in love with this, when you truly come into alignment with who you are, that's where this gets exciting. We talk about the contrast in this dive into the dark, you have to go into it to get out of it. I don't think you do. That's so wrong. The contrast is there to show you the difference, but it doesn't mean you have to swim in it. You can know the difference, and once you know the difference, you don't need to go back to it. You can say, I got it. Create something else and go a different direction. The realm of possibility, the spectrum of possibility is so huge when you decide to tap into it, and when you're in alignment with it through your system, the field of possibility gets even better, and all you have to do is choose. And I want to show you how. I want to walk you through it. I want to give you the information, how this technology works, so that you can use it too. If you're interested in that, find the link below to this one-day advanced workshop where you get all the information. That's how simple it is. It takes one day to teach this, and then you have to get up and practice it and walk around in it. And that's the goal in this one-day workshop. So I invite you to come to this, find the link, click it, get out here to Midway, and let me show you how this is done.